I was reading one book. It says Society Without God. This book was written by Phil Zuckerman, and he took Sweden and Denmark as a model. Society without God. You will be surprised what I'm about to share with you. 80% of the people in Denmark and Sweden, they say that we belong to Lutheran Church. On paper they say that we claim that we are from Lutheran Church. But if you go in detail, they don't believe in God. They don't believe in Bible. What is going on there? Deen and Mazhab has become just a culture. They want to associate themselves with the church so they can have marriage ceremony in the masjid. They can bury their dead ones according to the Christian traditions, or when their child is born, they can baptize that child according to the church. That's all. That is the whole religion for them. When religion becomes just like a culture, not deep down in our life, then this is what happens, what's happening in Sweden and Denmark according to that book. Ramadan of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Ramadan became fard in 2 Hijrah. 17 days after that, 17 of Ramadan, Battle of Badr happened. Fatah Makkah is happening in Ramadan. Prophet ﷺ is going for Tabuk, starting his journey in Ramadan. Tariq bin Ziyad is going to Spain in Ramadan. Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi is going toward Jerusalem in Ramadan. Prophet ﷺ is getting ready for the Battle of Uhud and the Battle of Trench in Ramadan, because both battles happened in Shawwal, right after Ramadan. Look at the struggle, look at the jaddo-jahad, look at the hardship and difficulties, what they have in front of them, and look at our Ramadan. Our Ramadan has become feast and festival. Enjoy, sale of this, sale of that, eat this much, eat that much. Wallahi, let's try, my brothers and my sisters, let's have this Ramadan with different mindset. Our brothers and sisters in Gaza, remember them. They have reminded us this life is nothing. Everything could vanish in a second. But what will last forever, khairum wa abqa, what you will gather for tomorrow when you will meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.